Hi, and welcome to the first lesson in this course. In this segment, we'll be discussing primary sources of energy, energy conversions, and total energy reserves. We'll also be differentiating between renewable and non-renewable forms of energy. Lastly, we'll describe the invention and progress of photovoltaics. Let's begin by looking at different forms of energy that exist and how we can convert them. Energy exists in several forms and can be converted from one form to another. Examples include conversions among heat, light, chemical, mechanical, thermal, and gravitational energy. Practically, an example might be burning of wood or biomass. In this case, the chemical energy contained within the wood is burned and the products are both heat and light. The conversion is chemical energy to heat and light energy. Another example would be photosynthesis, where plants absorb solar energy and convert that into chemical energy. Those are only a couple of the examples of energy conversions, but there are many more. Fundamentally, all energy conversions have a starting point, which we'll think of as the primary energy source. There are only a few primary energy sources available on Earth. The first is the sun, which is both the largest source of energy as well as the largest source of possible conversions. For example, we have biogenic resources, which come from photosynthesis that include wood and other plant matter, as well as the products such as ethanol and biodiesel. Under the right conditions, those same photosynthetic products are converted to energy-dense fossil fuels, such as coal, crude oil, and natural gas. There's also the heat and light of the sun, which are directly used in photovoltaic and solar thermal applications, as well as all of our weather events such as wind, waves, precipitation, and running water that can all be harnessed and converted into other forms of energy. Another primary source of energy is the Earth itself. Contained within the Earth are minerals like uranium, which are used in the nuclear energy industry. Another source of energy within the Earth is geothermal, which originates from the heat contained within the Earth. The third form of primary energy is the actual Earth's movement and satellite movement within the solar system. The moon moves around the Earth, which is partially responsible for tides and tidal energy. The force of gravity resulting from Earth's orbit and attraction to the sun provides some forms of energy that we can also use.